What if your next podcast episode could be created just by asking Alexa? Here's what happened. Amazon announced a new Alexa Plus feature called Alexa Podcasts. According to recent reporting, this feature allows users to ask Alexa Plus to create a custom podcast episode about almost any topic they are interested in. The idea is simple. Instead of searching for a podcast episode that already exists, users can ask Alexa Plus to generate one based on what they want to learn. Amazon says users can request a topic, receive an overview of what the AI hosts will discuss, adjust the conversation, and choose the episode length. Once it is ready, users are notified through an Echo Show device or the Alexa app. Welcome back to AI Technology Chronicles, and I'm your host, Brandon Sanders. This is the show where we break down the latest AI news, tools, and trends so corporate professionals and anyone interested in AI can stay informed, sharpen their skills, and prepare for this AI revolution. Today, we're talking about how Amazon is turning Alexa from a basic voice assistant into a personalized AI content creator. And that matters because this is bigger than podcasts. For years, voice assistants were mostly used for simple tasks. Set a timer, check the weather, play music, ask a quick question. But now, Alexa Plus is moving into something much bigger. It is no longer just answering questions. It is starting to create personalized media on demand. For corporate professionals, this is a major signal. We are entering a world where information will not just be searched. It will be summarized, organized, and turned into audio, video, reports, presentations, and training material almost instantly. Think about it. A manager could turn company updates into a 5-minute team briefing. A recruiter could create a quick training episode on hiring trends. A sales professional could generate a client research breakdown before a pitch. A consultant could turn market research into an executive briefing. And a creator could move from idea to finished content faster than ever before. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe to AI Technology Chronicles. Follow the podcast on your favorite podcast platform. And if you're watching on YouTube, hit subscribe so you do not miss the daily breakdowns on the latest AI news, tools, and trends shaping the future of work. Now let's keep going. The practical move here is this. Do not look at Alexa Podcasts as just another podcast feature. Look at it as a preview of where work is going. AI is not just helping people write anymore. AI is helping people communicate across formats. Text can become audio. Audio can become summaries. Research can become presentations. And ideas can become content faster than ever before. So ask yourself this. Could a long report become a short briefing? Could meeting notes become a team update? Could industry news become content for your personal brand? Could customer research become sales training? That is where the opportunity is. Now here is Brandon's take. My take is this. Amazon is showing us that the future of AI is not just chatbots. The future is personalized media on demand. That means content creation is about to become faster, cheaper, and more customized than ever before. But there is also a warning. Just because AI can create content does not mean the content is automatically accurate, trustworthy, or valuable. The winners will not just be the people who use AI to create more content. The winners will be the people who use AI to create better content. That means verifying the information, adding human judgment, and making sure the message is actually useful. And that connects directly to the mission of Brandon Sanders AI. The mission is to help professionals and businesses understand AI in a practical way. Not hype, not confusion. Real tools, real strategies, real use cases. And real ways to save time, work smarter, build your brand, grow your business, and prepare for the future of work. So the lesson for today is simple. The future of content is becoming personalized, instant, and AI-powered. But your advantage will still come from your strategy, your judgment, and your ability to use these tools with purpose. Do not just ask, can AI create this? Ask, can AI help me communicate this better, faster, and more effectively? If you got value from today's episode, make sure you follow, subscribe, and connect with me, Brandon Sanders, for more daily breakdowns on the latest AI news, tools, and trends. This is AI Technology Chronicles, and I'll see you on the next episode.